What? Yeah. Today we will be unboxing this build your own volcano. I can't wait to see how it erupts, so let's get started. Okay, here are some instructions. Volcano plaster. Eruption powder A. And here's a card. Some tips. Build your own volcano learning guide. Of course, volcano eruption powder B. And I'm guessing these are the templates. Let's see. These are... Okay, so these are the molds for the plaster. And we have some volcano rocks. I'm guessing this is a stand for these. Okay, some paints. Okay, wait, one second, I think I dropped something. Rocks. A paintbrush and a stick. So since it's adult supervision, you remember my dad, he will be helping me out again. Come on up, Dad.
Hey guys, you ready to get this volcano making going?
Yep.
All right, high five. Let's go. All right, maybe I'll help you with the instructions.
Yep.
And then we'll work
Right
our way
here,
through
Dad.
here. All right. I wonder what's the learning guide for. But we could start with the instructions. Oh, this is a cool learning guide that teaches you about
Volcanoes.
awesome. All right, so I'll help you with instruction. We'll put the learning guide to the side along with the box, and then we could start here.
Okay, I'll put them all together.
All right, good job. How's it coming along there?
It's going good. It's just... This is so hard.
See how they handle it in the instruction. That's always a good thing to do.
Mm-hmm.
So I think they build it like this, and then they snap it in together.
Oh, yeah.
So this guy snaps into here. Perfect. Oops.
Okay, and then we have to put this guy in.
Let's get this one in first. Then we can work with the other.
Okay, so my dad's working on the mold with me.
Mm-hmm.
And we're starting to put the volcano in. And Dad, this is the...
So the first step, do you want to read the first step for us?
Arrange 3 volcano molds in any order within the mold based on flat surface. What's that word?
Ensure.
Ensure the edges of the volcano mold walls are aligned.
So it means that they're lined up nice and neat like this. Here, you see?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So then it says, hold on. Let's read the next instruction now. Number 2.
Prepare your plaster.
No, sorry. Number 2 here under build mold.
Stretch the included rubber band around the irritator mold of exterior of the mold
Okay,
and place each notch.
Okay, so you see the notches at the back there?
Here.
You see these notches?
Yep.
That's what they're telling us to do. So split it around, and that will keep it together so it's not wibbly wobbly.
Near the top.
Sometimes Sadie gets wibbly wobbly.
Yeah, near the top lip of the mold.
Perfect.
This will help keep the walls securely in place when you add the plaster.
All right, so I think we have the mold set up now, right? What do you think? It's nice and secure.
It's nice and secure.
It's aligned.
It's
And the rubber band is around the exterior. This is what the mold looks like. You want to check it out?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so let's see if it's breakable.
Well, it's going to stretch a little bit, but I think we got it down. All right? So the next part will be... Well, that's a silly thing to do. Do it again. All right, so the next part, we're going to put these items to the side because I don't think we're going to get to there yet. The next part will actually make the plaster.
Now we'll need some additional items.
So let's read the instruction.
Okay.
Number 3.
Pour 1 cup, 250 milliliters of water into a large disposable container.
All right, let's get that out of the way first. So you need a measuring cup, and 250 is right there.
There.
All right, we have a 500 milliliter measuring cup, so we're gonna fill it up to 200, 100, 200, and halfway between 2 and 300. Okay. Maybe I should do this. You want to hold the measuring cup?
No, I'll do it.
All right. Careful.
Okay.
You're watching?
Mm-hmm.
We could always pour some out if it's too much also, so.
Yeah. Stop. That looks like enough. Now let's add it to the container. Now let's add it into the bowl. Dad, I can add it?
Go for it. Nice and slow. All right. I don't think we'll need this anymore, so we'll put it back away in our special spot under the table. All right. And the next step after says
Gradually add your plaster into the water while stirring until your plaster is completely blended. Okay.
All right. So
I'll stir it.
yeah. You have the stir there. And you want to make sure that when you're adding the plaster, it doesn't become runny. It needs to be kind of like
thick.
Yeah, thick. Maybe the consistency of sour cream, maybe?
Yes. Exactly. Sour cream. And did you know sour cream is used for sour cream and onion chips? The Lay's. Okay, so...
Is that one of your favorite? The Lay's sour cream and onion?
Yep. Okay,
right, so
you can add it in. Okay. That looks good.
Good job stirring. I'm going to keep adding.
Can't be like running. We might need to use the whole consistence.
The whole pack.
Yeah, the whole pack. Might need to use the whole pack.
Go on, get the one at the bottom. Oh, just be careful with your stirring. Stir in circles.
It's a good thing we got this plastic.
Yeah, it could be a little messy, so we need some plastic just in case.
And guys, remember you have adult supervision.
Keep going. How are we looking there?
And if you don't have adult supervision, you would make a mess. You will make a mess.
And can you get your stirring to be... Let's try stirring in a big circle. Yeah, good job. Excellent. Get your hair out of the way.
I think you can add a bit.
I agree. Would you like me to help you stir, or you got it?
I got it.
Keep going in circles. I think we're getting there. Definitely getting thicker, right?
Yep. Looking thicker, getting.
Let me help you a little bit. Here. You could pour.
Here.
How about you try pouring and I'll stir. And you're going to pour gently, okay?
Okay. Yell stop when I can stop.
All right. Keep going. All right. Let's stop for a little bit. We're going to add slowly. That's enough for now. Getting there, I could feel it getting thicker. When you stir it, it feels a little more thick. All right, you want to hit me with some more powder?
Sure.
All right, I think you could go ahead and get some more in there.
Okay.
Yep. Now we're talking.
Okay. Can we switch?
Yeah, let me get a little bit more stirring. I think this is the important part where it's going to get nice and ready for pouring. Here, give it a shot. Get some more
You
powder
can
in
get
there.
some more powder in there.
I think it's going to use actually the full pack of powder.
Yeah, let's dump
Get
it
a
all.
little bit behind.
Ooh, yeah, now it's getting really thick.
Yep. Would you like me to give you a hand, or you got it?
I got it.
All right, keep stirring. I don't want to take too long because the water is going to dry out and it's going to become too thick. All right?
Okay, you can do it.
Yeah, let me help you. Here, go for it.
I can add the rest?
Not yet. How about we just give it some good stir.
It's very thick.
It's getting very thick, but again, you can see that it's lumpy. It's always good when you're mixing stuff to get the lumps out of there.
Yeah. And guys, you gotta make sure that you have to do it quick, or else the water will dry up and it will get very, very thick. Hey, I made a rhyme.
You rhymed.
I can add more now?
Yeah, go for it. I think you could dump it all in there. Yep.
I'm ready to do it.
Go for it. I'll make sure we get every last bit in there.
Okay, the spoon is very...
It's a little harder now to swirl it around, right? How about I help?
I got it.
You want to get the mold ready while I finish this up?
Sure.
And maybe check the instructions, see what our next step is.
Okay. The next step is check that the consistency is thick.
That's what we're going for here.
Like a milkshake. But pourable.
Yeah, but pourable.
No. If the mix is still too runny when you're done stirring, it will seep out the seams. What is this word?
Seams, you got it.
Seams of the mold.
Yeah, so what they're saying is...
If you let it set too long, it will be too set to pour. So make sure you get your timing right.
So what they're saying, if it's too runny, then the seams in the mold, you're going to lose all of your plaster in there. And then if you wait too long, it's going to start drying up, as we've been saying. So we got to move quickly here. We're not totally ready yet, but let me help you so we make sure we're moving quickly.
Okay, I'll check the mold and see if it's good.
All right. I think we're almost there.
Okay.
All right, I think we'll need one more thing. Maybe we should put this on a plate because we're going to have to move this to a cool, dry spot for it to set for a couple days.
I'm back, and I got a plate.
All right, nice job getting the plate. All right, help me put that in the middle. And now it's time for us to pour. You want to give it a shot?
Sure.
We're going to get it all the way in there. It's okay. Just dump as much as you can in there. Let it settle in. I think it's getting too thick. Maybe I should help. Whoa, 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 whoa. Be careful. Sadie, let me help a little bit here.
Okay. It's all yours.
Yeah, it's getting thick very quickly here now, so you got to move fast.
In the meantime, I'll throw some in the garbage because this plaster is getting really much.
Okay.
I'll just leave it. So we're going to add erupting powder A and erupting powder B in our next video. Because we have to let it set for 1 to 2 days.
Yeah.
So, Dad, do you think 1 day is enough?
No, we're going to go for the full 2 days here because we don't want to mess this up. If we do mess it up, we're going to have to start all over again.
It said 1 to 2 days.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll figure out.
So let's just do 1 day.
All right, we'll find out how long it takes.
Okay.
This worked out perfectly because you could see it's not running through the seams. Can you check, see if anywhere through the seams it's running out?
No, it's not running.
But I could tell that it's getting hard already on the ones that left in the bowl. It's almost like you can't scoop it out because it's so hard, and that's definitely why you need to move quickly.
Exactly. And guys, make sure if you have this, the black paint is for the volcano, and the red and yellow is for the lava. The lava.
Is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah.
Okay, you say so.
But I'm trying to let our viewers hear me. Paint, 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 paint.
Alright, I think we're good here for this video.
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell button. And make sure to comment down below if you like this video. Join us next time.